today is tomorrow, tomorrow's today, and now it's day 6. We're doing day 6. So today is an even day. That means it's Kelly's day. So I've got a postcard with a question and today's. So countdown for summer fun. Let's do this. Okay. Cute little bag. Oh, fun. Oh, she's got some kitty tape for me. The washi tape. Can you see it? I'm so terrible. There it oh. My focusing is, I don't know, I maybe dropped my phone too many times. There we go. Woo, there it is. Goodness. They're cute, Kelly. Adorable. How much fun. And let's see what she has. Today's postcard is with a question. There's the question. So today's postcard, USA. Okay, we got the capital of Washington, D.C. There is 324,720,797 people. Over 61,000 post-crossing members. The Statue of Liberty. It has on here some interesting little things. Famous Americans, Marilyn Monroe, Pocahontas, Abraham Lincoln, Elvis Presley. Some other interesting things, of course, is Mount McKinley, the highest mountain. It's 6,168. And I think my husband's trying to get my attention. That was my husband knocking on my window. And it's actually pretty high up at the ground, so he had to use a staff, I'm sure. There is, let's see, Yellowstone is the first national park in the world, established in 1872. And American football is the most popular sport. The United States of America is the 4th largest country in the world by land area and 3rd by population. So this is a nice little postcard full of interesting information. So, what's the question, Kelly? What is your most prized possession? My most prized possession? That's a good question, Kelly. I don't know. Oh, possession. I would say actually, I'm going to say my really awesome antique desk roll top that that was my grandma's when they had a antique store. My grandmother apparently used to buy things that she liked and would want to sell, would price them a little higher than they're supposed to be, is the story that I've heard, and would end up getting to keep the things that she wanted. So there's some other little things like that, but it's a really neat piece that I was fortunate to get. So that would probably be it in a material aspect. And I would have to say the second, prized possession would be my scriptures, the Bible. So that would, well, that technically should be my first. But I'm blessed to have many scriptures, many different Bibles and types of Bibles. I have the Bible on my phone, and so, but for sentimental purposes and the historical aspect of it, the desk is pretty amazing. So, yep. I guess that's it. It's almost 5 minutes now, so don't forget to come back tomorrow for day 7, and don't forget to go down below. Hit the links to see Pinkee Jean and Kel's Mel Joy to see what they got for day 6. Till next time, bye.